I don't even know what I'm going to do next. I don't know. I seriously don't know. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Deborah Chidera. I'm a fashion designer based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I want to be making a jumpsuit, a very unique jumpsuit. So before we get into this video, I just want to say I'm not my usual cheerful self because I've literally been crying all day. I don't know if you can tell from my eyes, but I think my face is swollen and I just broke my glasses recently, so I can't hide my eyes from you guys, but I still have to show up. So yeah, so enough of that. This is the material I'm going to be working with. I don't know the name of the material, I'm not even going to lie, and I think this is about 1.5 yards of fabric. It should be enough for a short jumpsuit, not a full trouser length. And I want to use it to wear this jacket that I made a while ago. I'm thinking this would go with it. I don't know, God knows, I don't know if I'm ever going to wear this whole outfit anywhere. I just feel like it goes perfectly well because this jacket is giving a kind of lilac-y color. It's mixed with, I think, turquoise blue and lilac, while this fabric is purple. I hope I'm making sense. I don't know. And I also made a bag. This is the bag. So this is it. I'm hoping to be able to pair it with this too by the time I'm done. In this kind of country, Nigeria, I don't know if this outfit is socially acceptable. I might wear it to go outside and people begin to look at me weird, like, where did this one fall out from? But I don't care, is what is in my head. I will try and make the outfit. If it doesn't look nice, I won't wear it. End of story. You know, pass like that. Then another problem I'm having now is I don't have pattern paper. Don't ask me why. So I want to improvise and use this book. It's just the normal long notes full scalp sheet. So I've already cut out 2. The plan is to sellotape it in the middle. I'll cut out 2 more and tape it under. One here, and sellotape it in the middle so I can create like a square. I don't know if the lighting on this video is bad and I feel like I've been rambling. While drafting the pattern for this particular outfit that I'm making, I'm like, who would have ever thought that I would be able to use ordinary paper, like full scalp, to draft a pattern? And something just came to my head. Scarcity of resources births creativity. I'm running off to Twitter right now. Anyways, let me show you guys the front pattern. So my sellotape just finished and I still have to do the back. I still need to tape here and tape here. It's just the middle I was able to tape. I don't know, but this is not gonna stop me. I'm going to find my way around it. Either I just use my office pins to hold it down together. So I succeeded in cutting the back. After cutting the back and the front, I'm not doubting whether the material will be enough for a jumpsuit. I feel like the shorts alone will swallow the whole 1.5 yards. Anyways, we'll see. We shall see. I'm nervous. Honestly guys, I think by the time I'm done with cutting these shorts, I'll only be able to get like a crop top out of the remaining material. So this is how it's looking. I'm feeling some type of way, like it's not giving and like it's too long. People of God, see what is remaining. See what is remaining. After cutting the shorts, I don't know, but I think a crop top would come out. I don't even know what I'm going to do next. I don't know. I seriously don't know. I'm done with the smocking. This is it. This is what it's looking like. So this is the upper part of the jumpsuit. This is the back. You see how the back is looking neat as the front? Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy, okay? So the next thing I'm going to go and do right now is to join the front and the back parts of the shorts together. But before I do that, I remember that there's going to be an elastic band at the waist area. So on the upper part here, which is the waist, I'm going to go and cut something like an interfacing where the elastic can pass through. The elastic is 2 inches in size. Let me show you. So this is the elastic. So the width of this interfacing is going to be probably 2.5 inches. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about, because talking without showing, I don't think you'll understand a thing, okay? So I finished joining everything together, the sides and the front and the back, and this is what it's looking like. This is the interfacing. This is the interfacing effect. So as you guys can tell already, this is a flare shorts. So the next thing I'm gonna go and do right now is to run a straight line round the top, so that the interfacing can stay properly and so that I can pass my elastic inside. And this is the finished look. I took about 4 inches off the bottom from both sides of the jumpsuit to give it a curved look at the bottom. I also noticed that my hips were not flattered enough in this outfit, so I'm going to make roses with the remaining fabric scraps to put at the both sides of my hips. I've also decided to add ropes at the top center of the front and back of this outfit. So these are the roses I was talking about. I'm going to be adding 3 on both sides of the outfit. Hopefully it helps to flatter my hips a bit more in the outfit. And these are the ropes I'll be adding to the outfit as well. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Remember when I said I was making a unique jumpsuit at the beginning of this video? What do you think? I for one think it actually is unique. My favorite thing about this outfit is the roses at the sides and the rope at the neck, especially the way the ropes are tied at the center. I'm also in love with the length of this jumpsuit. It's literally giving beach vibes. Remember, there's a jacket and a bag I mentioned at the start of this video. I'm going to try them on now to see if they suit the outfit. Y'all are gonna help me judge, okay? I'm actually loving how the jacket is looking on the outfit, but I'm kind of skeptical though. So is it a yes or a no, guys? As for the bag, I don't even care. I literally would rock this with this outfit. Like, it goes well. Like, I'm loving how it's looking. It's giving Miami bitch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I really hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye.